To use the Minipresso NS, a step-by-step guide. The first step is to pull the cup from the top of the Minipresso. Next, unscrew the portafilter. Insert the capsule into the Minipresso. Then, screw on the portafilter tightly to pierce the capsule. Make sure the portafilter is as tight as it can go so the Minipresso can extract the espresso from the capsule properly. Unscrew the water tank. Fill the water tank with boiling water up to the line. Screw on the water tank. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the Minipresso to extract the espresso. Enjoy!
Audio Jungle.
Another accessory that we offer is the Barista Kit. The Barista Kit is the perfect accessory to make lattes, cappuccinos, Americanos, strong double shots, or to make 2 espressos at once. The Barista Kit comes with 2 16-gram filter baskets and 1 extra 8-gram filter basket. Each filter basket comes with a cap, so you can pre-pack your espresso and take it with you. The Barista Kit also comes with a larger 140 milliliter water tank, which you can use to make 2 espressos at once, or you can use it to make an Americano. The large water tank also has an extra large cup attached to it. Another accessory that comes with the Barista Kit is a coffee tamper. It also comes with a double espresso adapter ring. This mounts right onto the body of the Nanopresso and allows you to use the larger filter baskets when you make your espresso. There are several different ways to use the Barista Kit. Unscrew the cap from the Barista Kit and take out the double espresso ring. Unscrew the cap of the Nanopresso and screw on the adapter ring. Weigh 16 grams of ground coffee into the filter basket. This is roughly 2 scoops of ground coffee. Tamper to level and compress the ground coffee. This is specially designed for the Nanopresso filter baskets and allows you to tamp your coffee using more control. There should be roughly 4 millimeters of space at the top of the filter basket. If you are repacking your espresso filter baskets, you can place the lid on and take the espresso with you. Place the coffee filter basket into the Nanopresso and screw on the portafilter. Fill the large water tank to the max fill line, but do not overfill. You can use the Nanopresso's original water tank to make a double espresso, or you can attach the large water tank to make a Lungo. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the espresso into a large cup, or use the included cup. You can also create two identical double shots by distributing the espresso evenly while pumping. Enjoy!
Audio Jungle.
Remove the included scoop and brush from the water tank. The brush can be used to clean your Nanopresso of any excess grounds that can build up over time. The water tank also has a cup attached to it. Next, unscrew the portafilter and remove the coffee filter basket. Add finely ground coffee into the scoop. Transfer the finely ground coffee from the scoop into the filter basket. Be sure to clean any grounds off the rim of the filter basket. The next step is to tamp the coffee using the bottom of the scoop as a tamper. There should be about 4 millimeters of space at the top of the filter basket after you tamp. To ensure proper grind size, use a scale to weigh 8 grams of coffee. Next, put the coffee filter basket into the Nanopresso and screw on the portafilter. Make sure the portafilter is screwed on tight. Next, add boiling water to the water tank. Fill the water up to the line marked on the inside of the water tank. Screw the water tank onto the Nanopresso. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Flip the Nanopresso upside down and start pumping with slow, consistent pumps to build up pressure inside the machine. It should take about 6 to 8 pumps to get up to pressure. After about 20 to 30 pumps, your espresso will be fully extracted. You will know the espresso is fully extracted once you no longer feel resistance in the piston. Once the espresso is fully extracted, the crema should be smooth and golden brown. Enjoy!